Hello students, now that you're finally on Google Classroom, we are going to explore a little bit of what that looks like. So, when you have your code entered, remember to enter your code, you go you have to sign into your Google account, and then you're going to click Google Classroom on the sidebar, and then you'll be in the classroom and you will see either different classes or you will need to join. To join, all you have to do is press this little button, click join class, and then I'm going to give you a code. Hopefully, if you don't have it yet, it'll be on the screen. I'm going to give you a code and you're going to put it in there, and then you can click join, and then your class should pop up. But for now, since this is Macheco's class, I already have them here. So let me show you how it looks like. When you're in Ms. Pacheco Math, you are going to have different topics. For right now, we don't have anything, like there's no class assignments or topics yet. So what you usually see is this is the first thing you see. You're gonna see the stream icon opened up. So my message is going to be here, any updates that I have for the class. For now, there's only 2. Let me read my message to you. It says, welcome to our math class. Here you will find instructional tools and resources to expand your learning in math. I will post upcoming work and reminders. We will use our online class to engage in meaningful discussion about math and collaborate with others through a new, fun, and exciting platform. Remember, our code of promise applies to the virtual classroom. Say it with me. I am respectful, I am responsible, and I am safe. Nothing but my best will do. Okay, to continue, over here you're going to find the first resource that you're going to use for your technology center, for your game center. This is from Symbaloo, the website. You're going to click on it, and then our lovely next door teacher, Miss Gobbin, created this platform for you guys. So you have different resources to choose. Whether you want to review rounding, you can do rounding games, and there's addition games, and there are also subtraction games, or tools. They're not all games. Some of them will be articles. Some of them will be different online activities. For example, this one's pop the balloon to 50. You're gonna wait for it to load. Most of these softwares, they do need Adobe running. So if you have issues, let me know. Instructions, read the instructions, of course. Pop the balloons in order to the smallest sum, from the smallest sum to the largest sum. So you have to kind of do quick mental math here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. So it would go pop, pop, pop. But let me give you an example. 20. Largest sum, right? Largest to smallest, or was it smallest to largest? Oh my golly moly, I'm already... Yeah, smallest to largest. Alright. 20 plus 17. I'm sorry, 17 plus 20. That looks smaller. And the balloon is smaller, but it's 20 plus 17. But this one says 16 plus 20. 16 is 1 less than 7, so I think this one's the smallest one. It was! Ding, ding, ding. And then that's my example. And then you have more to go. Alright, so I hope you were able to understand how our class works and how you can access the different tools on Symbaloo. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to tell me or put a note in the issue bin. You can always just come to me directly as long as you give me your symbol. If you're having trouble in the moment of figuring out how to use Google Classroom or Symbaloo, give me a quick symbol or raise your hand to have if you have any questions. Okay. Remember, if you're in the land in your independent center, always ask 3 before me. Okay. All right. Enjoy this this new online tool.